your song quickly. Good king, I pray that you learn it. And if you ask me, why do you sing so often? Because it is annoyance to the wicked and joy to us the skilled. And know if I were loved, you would hear refined and precious little songs. But now that I am mistreated, I make marvelous words with a gilded tune, and friendship does not help me. Nor do I sing except from cunning. Slender body, well taught, have mercy, pity, may she counsel you. For I am distressed and pressed. Ah, lady, look at my heart and do not kill me. For wrong and sin it would be if I died desperate. I would be better paid than any man born if the stolen kiss were given to me or even granted. And I do not want you to ask me where all my desire is, for you would easily do me harm from it. For covetousness often makes the wisest ones fail. Since beauty makes the wisest presumptuous, well is he made who does not keep himself hidden. But I am truly enchanted when I speak with my lady, that I cannot move from the snare. Either I am proven jealous or entirely in love. With small weighted dice, wickedness has tricked us, from which stinginess is born and reign here. Do not abandon it, that you do not always do what is worthy, as long as you live. For a rich young man who is confined is worth less than a dead man buried. My chastity would make peace with me, for I have returned to Provence, to die like a hare in its form. Snow and ice, why do you not stop? Why do you not stop? Now summer comes and beautiful meadows, why do you not grow green? For I am more in love with her whom you embrace than our emperor is made, for he has lost, know this, 700 sous, for he never held dice.